morning, family and friends. So it's our last 2 weeks here in SA, and we are visiting some families, Stafford's mom in Napier, and we would love to explore some of the surroundings. Who's excited for Hermanus?
We are!
One of our favorite things to do is sing Jennifer Rush while we travel. So God just got a glimpse of what happens in the hectic car. None of us have great singing voices, but it sounds great.
And you are my man. Whenever you read for me,
I'll do all that I can.
We've arrived in the beautiful Hermanus. He always looks like a tourist in his own country, but that's okay. We are doing this so that we can show you all the adventure that we get up to.
It's for all my toys, actually.
Yes, he's got a lot of toys. Before we go and explore, everyone's hungry, so we've decided to find a little spot to go and eat something.
You know what I'll have? Coke and Coke Zero.
Coke Zero for you.
And I love you.
I love you like la 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 la.
So this is where we're gonna eat. We're passing
Yeah, I just want to check, what are your specials?
We got chicken schnitzel, 129, or calamari for the same price as well.
Okay.
And it comes with chips or salad or
And your burgers, like what burgers have you got?
burgers. We have a lot of special, but you can have a look at the menu.
Yeah, thanks, man.
So we found the place that we are going to eat burgers. So we have received our food and we've ordered some burgers and chips. The burgers are massive, just if you want to know. It's very big. We are now at Whale House, which is a museum in Hermanus. As you can see behind me here is a whale. This is supposed to be like a replica of a real life whale in terms of size, which is really, really cool. But we are now going to go in to the actual museum.
the poop thing here. Ew. These are its lungs, but its heart.
Wow, look at the skeleton above. Wow, it's massive.
Tons of plastic enter our oceans every year. That's a lot of plastic. It's hurting ocean life and hurting you. Oh no. It's bad that they're hurting you.
The kids are inside this little yellow submarine. Let's go see what they're getting up to. Hello guys.
1938. Hi.
Can I come into your submarine?
Yeah.
What's happening in here?
So we're busy pressing buttons because we're diving underwater. You have to stay in, miss.
Wow, that looks so realistic.
We're in the water, little girl. Guys, there's a blue big shark coming towards us. Get in! We have to close the perimeter. No. The water is going and it feels really warm.
So this is pretty much the museum. There's lots of information on the walls, but today is not a day for reading for any of us. So we're just like running around the museum and we are playing with all the like things and gadgets and whatever can come like out of its pods, and like standing next to the bones and just admiring the size of these carcasses like you see behind me. It's so big. And above me, that is an actual skeleton of a whale. It's massive. It's quite humbling. We're gonna go into the next museum which is the vet's house. No touching, okay? Just look with your eyes. This is what an olden day camera looks like, guys. So these are photos of Cape Town, Hermanus, from way back when.
Touch. Hands behind your back. Toys. Let's go. Come on, guys. What's on its back? Whoa. It's so cold. Yeah. Good thing we're wearing boots. Else we would have had to come barefoot. Good thing Granny made us wear our boots. Hello.
This has been so humbling coming here and being so close to the ocean, and anybody who knows our family knows that this is something we do all the time. I really hope in New Zealand that this is the kind of experiences our children will have, or better or equal, which is why we chose New Zealand, because it's going to be as much of this as possible for our family and the children. And as you can see, they just love being outdoors and being in nature, and like that's kind of the childhood memories we want for them. So yeah, going from one adventure to the next. Let's hope that the waves are this big in New Zealand. Lily, where are you going with that water in your shoes?
Wet water.
I can see that there's water in your shoes.
I'm bringing it home.
You're bringing the ocean water home in your shoes?
Yes. I don't know how, but I'm gonna do it. Yep.
I'm sorry, but you got to take the ocean out your boots now.
Oh. I totally don't have any water in my boots. Me neither. We don't have any ocean water in our boots? Yeah.
So Gabriela and Liliana are telling us that they have no water in their boots and that we can go now.
Only water in one boot, okay?
Take off both boots. We want you to take off both. Yeah. Were you going to sneak that water in the car home?
Yeah.
Let's see the other one. Come on, come on. There we go.
I can't walk faster. My legs are cramping. From pains of walking this whole way.
Oh, okay. Can you just take the step up here so we can take the step?
Okay. I told you there's no water in my boot. I'm walking like a normal person. Don't look at my boots though.
You can walk faster, please.
You go ahead.
No, go. Remember Mommy's rule, you must always be ahead of me.
Hello down there. Oh, sorry, I just peed a little. Lily, you gotta come down and help me. Yeah. I'm just walking slow because I want to. Not because my boots are full with something.
We have the ocean, and this is Hermanus. It's really stunning here, and during whale season you could typically stand here and see whales in the bay.
Mama, look at the penguin one. It looks nice to eat. An ice cream.
We've literally just like finished eating our ice creams when we realized that we didn't even show you what they looked like before we ate them. But they were like really delicious. I couldn't even finish mine. It's very, very sweet. And the view from here is so beautiful. So next we are gonna walk up that side and we are gonna fly the drone a little bit and see if we can see whales in the bay. Although it's not the time of the year for whales, but you know, you can always be hopeful. And I will also vlog that and share with you what it looks like when stuff takes the drone up.
doubters, doubters. To those who don't believe, this is the hour, hour. You'll see that we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll shake hands like they're nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. To all the haters, haters, those filled with jealousy, the naysayers, payers for the fee. But we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll shake hands like they're nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible.
Okay guys, we are just about finished with this day. Well, not this day, with this little trip. We've
I got water in me boots.
We've had a lot of fun. We've had some lunch and ice cream. We've done quite a bit of sightseeing. And we're gonna head on home now.
Yeah, it's been quite a lucky day. We're actually just chilling down at the bottom here, close to the beach, just in front of the main tourist section of Hermanus. Such a beautiful spot. There's a little restaurant around the corner, and there's a museum down here as well. So if you ever get a chance, come check them out. It's an absolutely beautiful part of our country.
Bye from there.
Just wait and see.